Isang mabuhay afternoon and a warm Maharlikan welcome to one and all.
Officers, inductees, fellow Maharlikans. To our distinguished guests, it is my great and honor, privilege to warmly welcome everyone to Biliran Maharlikans International Club and National Board of Directors Induction 2026. Thank you.
To our new rosters of officers for the BIMIC and the new Board of Directors of National, you have been chosen because you possess the capability, the heart, and the purpose required to move this organization forward. These responsibilities before you may be vast, but remember that you do not walk this path alone. True leadership in the Maharlikan spirit is collaborative.
Dito magkakapatid, handa na tayong magsuot ng koronang responsibilidad bilang mga buwaran na nagkakaisa, malasakit at tunay na paglilingkod sa ating samahan at komunidad. Tandaan natin na ang Maharlikan ay parang isang kape, mainit, matapang at kayang magpabuhay ng damdamin.
We are the keeper of a humble legacy. Let our shared vision and unwavering reliance inspire us to uplift one another. Together, we can turn our bold dreams into a reality. Keeping striving, keep inspiring, and let our values guide us toward a greater future.
This afternoon, we are gathered at a time when leadership matters more than ever. Across our nation, the debates in the halls of power, rapid policy shifts, and everyday struggles of many Filipinos can make the future look uncertain. What really is your purpose? As one with humanity and as part of this organization, I invite all of you to examine your inner self and the very reason why you joined and organized your club. Purpose is not just a mere announcement. Building communities, serving the people, and strengthening communities are the common slogans and more. But it should not be just mere lip service.
As the newly inducted President of the Biliran Maharlikan International Club, I am deeply honored by the trust and confidence you have placed in me. Through teamwork and genuine concern for others, we can continue to make positive and lasting difference in the lives of the people we serve.
Bakit sa atin Maharlikan nananatili tayo kahit hindi tayo ganon kadami, nasusustain natin yung ating organization, lalong-lalo na dito sa Biliran. Sobra kayong napaka-effective dito. Mas maganda ho, itayo natin itong ating organization kasi atin to. Gumagastos naman ho tayo na galing sa sarili natin, kumbaga parang legacy ho natin.
Allow us to extend our heartfelt gratitude to our distinguished guests, generous sponsor, advisors, and our co-Maharlikans, and everyone who in one way or another have made this event super success. Your presence and utmost support have made this occasion delightful, more memorable, and very inspiring. It has been my honor to have a toast with you.
Maharlikan was conceptualized and formed by men and women whose purpose is not only to render humanitarian services, but to give as much as possible things people in the community needs most.
To our distinguished guests, officers, fellow Maharlikans, and friends, welcome to today's gathering of the Maharlikans International Club, and this is in Biliran. And thereafter, this is also the National Board of Directors induction for 2026.